In this lecture, we will discuss about clause 7.5, that is documented information. It has total 3 requirements. Let us understand with the first requirement. It says that organizations AIMS shall include documented information required by this document. This document means ISO-42001, and then documented information determined by your organization. So what you need to do is simply write in your documented information what document you require for managing AIMS. So these are the some document that we understand will be required for managing AIMS. You may like to use the same and modify according to your requirement. Now let us move to second point. It says that when creating and updating document, organizations shall ensure appropriate identification and description, format and review and approval. So again, what you need to do is, you need to have proper version control on the document. So document classification, who is the owner, what is the format, effective date, who has approved, revision history and so on. Now let us move to the third requirement. It says that documented information required by AIMS and by this document shall be controlled. So first one is about proper availability of the document. Second one is about confidentiality, and then some more controls about distribution, access, retrieval and use, storage and preservation, control of changes and retention and disposition. So what you need to do is to develop, define and document the process. You should make owner for each of this document. What is the retention period you need to write? What is the document classification? And then on the basis of document classification, to whom this document can be shared, and what are the confidentiality requirements. So this need to be defined in your AIMS policy to comply with this particular clause. Last requirement of 7.5 is documented information of external origin should be determined and appropriately controlled. So external origin means something which is not from your organization. For example, if you see here source, we have audit report. So audit report can be your internal or maybe from your external audit provider. Again, license copy of AIMS standard is the property of ISO. So you need to determine that, and then you need to ensure appropriate controls are available to control this document. So with this we complete 7.5. In our next lecture we will discuss about clause 8, that is operations. Thanks for watching.